Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to add and delete an audio recording in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you've ever wanted to make your presentations more engaging with your own narration, or simply need to remove an audio file you no longer want, this guide will take you step by step through the process. Let's begin by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Once the application is open, select the presentation where you want to add or remove audio. Having your file ready will save you time as we move along. Now, look towards the top of your PowerPoint screen. You'll see a ribbon filled with tabs. Click on the Insert tab. This tab is where you can add different types of media, and it's the starting point for adding audio. Within the Insert tab, locate the Media section, usually found on the right side, and click on Audio. Here you'll get two options: either insert an audio file from your computer or record your own voice directly into the slide. For this tutorial, let's go with Record Audio. A dialog box will appear with simple controls. When you're ready, press the Record button and start speaking clearly into your microphone. Try to be in a quiet environment for the best sound quality. Once you're happy with your narration, press Stop, then click OK to save the recording. The audio will now appear on your slide as a small speaker icon. This means your recording has been successfully added, but what if you decide later that you don't want the audio anymore? Deleting it is just as easy. Simply click on the audio icon in your slide to select it and then hit the backspace or delete key on your keyboard. The audio will be removed instantly, keeping your slide clean and distraction-free, and that's it. You've learned how to add your own voice to a presentation and how to remove it when necessary. These simple steps can make your slides more dynamic and professional, or allow you to adjust them quickly if you change your mind. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If it was, do not forget to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more easy-to-follow guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.